So here now, refraction by a spherical lenses. So basically, first of all, if we are having convex lens, this is its optical center, and second one, we are having concave lens, right? So this is its optical center. Now, always any lenses have two principal focus and two principal center of curvature C1 and C2. Now, whenever any light rays are parallel with this principal axis, this is our principal axis. So whenever it is parallel with this principal axis, after getting refraction from this convex mirror, it will focus on particular point, and that is called second principal focus, because it is the other side of that lens. So this is first principal focus, this is second principal focus. Similarly, if light rays are passing again parallel, it will focus on same point. So we are getting image on the second principal focus of this lens. Similarly, for here, if we are having similar light rays are parallel to this principal axis, but in this particular case, that convex lens characteristic is to converge, but here concave lens characteristic is to diverge. So here it is also diverging, but that divergent, if we draw behind lines, these lines are intersect on one particular point, and that is called our principal focus. So here we are getting that image on first principal focus. Here we are getting second principal focus on the same side. This is on the other side. On the same side we are having virtual image. Here we are having real image. So that is the first characteristic of lenses. Now second characteristic, again similar, we are having both kinds of lenses, convex and concave. Now here again I have to draw F1, F2, C1 and C2. So this is principal axis. Here also we are having F1, C1, F2, C2, optical center. Now whenever any light are passing from F1, after getting refraction from here, it will move ahead, which is parallel to this principal axis. So whenever light rays is passing from principal focus, after getting refraction from here, it will move ahead, which is that light is parallel to that principal axis. So that is second characteristic here. Whenever light ray is passing through that F1, here what we get, we are getting that light which is in this direction, but because of that concave lens, that light again we are getting in infinite distance but behind infinite. So that light is moving in this direction, but its virtual image will be left hand side direction. Now third characteristic, similar, we are having both type of lenses. Now optical centers are here. So whenever light ray is passing through optical center, there is no suffering of refraction here. So it will propagate further without any deflection of light. Similarly, if light ray is passing through optical center without any suffering of that refraction, it will propagate through that lens. So that is the third characteristic. So these are the refraction by spherical lenses.